Hello Lomzy team, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lomzy. I'm back again with another hot sewing tutorial. A client brought this outfit for me to make for her birthday photo shoot, and I made this for her. Please guys, tell me, is it a hit or a miss? Tell me, and also tell me if you will wear this on your birthday. So whatever you guys think, the client loves her dress so much, so she brought another one to sew for her sister for her birthday again. So I'm going to be sharing that video on how I made the second one. It's so easy, so watch till the end. All you need is round your shoulder measurement, and I'm going to be sharing with you 4 clever sewing tips and tricks on how to sew this off-shoulder dress. So let's go into the sewing tutorial already. Yeah, so with my Ankara, you know Ankara, if you're a Nigerian, you'll understand, but if you're not a Nigerian, Ankara comes by, the length is 645. The length is by mostly 46 inches or 45. Okay, this one is by 45. Yeah, but most times they come by 46. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to be folding this fabric in two, like this. One folded into this way, it will give you 46 inches. So you have, when you fold it, you have a square like kind of, you see that, 45 inches and that. So after you have folded it in two like so, what you do is just basically just grab this side that is on fold, and bring it this way to make a triangle. Yeah, so it will be like this. Make sure this gets to the edge like so. So the only mark we are going to calculate here is just the shoulder measurement. If you have taken the shoulder measurement, divide that by 6.28. Whatever it gives you, times that by 2. That's just basically what you need. So what we have is shoulder, round the shoulder, 42 inches. I divide that by 6.28, I will get 6 inches, and I times that by 2, I will get 12 inches. I hope you understand me. Yes. So with that 12 inches, I am going to be adding 3 inches to that, which will make it 15 inches, because we are going to be elasticating it. So it needs some elasticity there. So you have to bear that in mind. 15 inches, that's what we got, right? Yes, basically what I usually do for the length of the dress, if it was a longer one, yes, I can take the measurement, but with African fabric, the length is by 45, so I just take that 45 inches round in a circular mood like that. So let me just take that one first. You can't get anything more than this, and if you want your dress longer, you actually need longer than this, but because of the design, we take this round. So first off, I'm going to be cutting off that area first off. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so below, and hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of my sewing tutorials and my live blogging, guys. Okay, now once you have that, you know you have gotten your length. The next thing we have to take down is that 15 inches we have gotten, which is here. Take it round. So you come to this line. Because it's an off shoulder, I am going to be dropping here by 7. And the armhole depth we are using is 10 inches. So I'll mark that here like that. I want my off shoulder to start from 5 inches. So I'm going to be dropping it here like that and go this way. See what I did? So I am going to be connecting this line to this line. You connect this line to this line. I hope it is as simple as ABC. This is all just what you need. So you're going to be adding allowance for the elastic casing. I'm going to be adding 1 inch elastic casing like that. Add elastic casing this way, and I'm going to be adding ½ inch sewing allowance this way. I'll add ½ inch sewing allowance this way, and that is it, guys. You're done. Voila, your off shoulder is ready. This is all you need. Yeah, so you cut this up open. For the sleeve, remember I told you African fabric comes by 45 or 46 inches. Again, this is by 45 inches. So just fold it in two and fold again. That's all you need to do. Now, what I am using, the length I am using is 18 inches. See, this is 18 inches. For the whole dress, what you need is 3 yards. For the body part is 2.5 yards. For this is 18 inches, and that's it, 3 yards. So basically, when you get this, no calculation, no nothing. What you just need to do is bring your dress, place this here, and just bring this to this place. Just make sure this is touching here and this is touching here. That's all you need, people. Just cut this open. Remember the one on the fold and the one that has that's the side you're going to be placing it. And so there you go again. You do this. Yes, that's it. So how you're going to be doing this is, let me place this like this so that I'll make it easy for you to understand. So for you to join the sleeve, all you need to do is, oh, I didn't cut up this. Remember to cut up the other side. I didn't cut that up, so let me just cut this off like that. So what you need to do, how you join it, this is to be like this, and this is to be like this. So all you need to do is go ahead, join this to this, sleeve to body, sleeve to body. I hope you understand what I mean. So it's going to be like that. So voila, that's it. I'm going to be showing you this on the mannequin now. Just look at what I made. Guys, this is so cute. I love it. If you want a full video of how I stitched this dress, I'll be dropping that in the link and on the description section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now see you in the next video. Bye.